This film covers a weekend break in Cartmel in Cumbria, England. It was timed to coincide with a race meeting in the village, which is covered in more detail in a separate film linked above. We start off at Cartmel Priory, founded in 1190 and dissolved by Henry VIII in 1536. Inside the Priory. Here we see the village of Cartmel, with the racecourse in the background. Historically this was part of Lancashire, but was moved into Cumbria when that county was created in 1974. Cartmel has emerged as a foodie destination. L'Enclume, which you can see here, is a Michelin 3-star restaurant, opened by Simon Rogan in 2002, often ranked as one of the best in the UK. We stayed in a room within the restaurant building. We dined at L'Enclume and this is what you get. It's not a menu, you get everything on the list. Superb cooking with a variety of local ingredients. The service is top class. Some wine to accompany the food. There are 15 courses and it is a cacophony of flavours and culinary artistry. Sticky toffee pudding is another local speciality. The centre of the village, with lots of pubs and cafes. The River E runs through the village. Rogan & Co, also run by Simon Rogan, has 1 Michelin star. That's 4 stars in this small village, twice as many as Manchester. We dined in Rogan & Co on our second night. More basic than L'Enclume, but still top class food and service. We also had our breakfast here on both days. A very good cheesemonger's in the village. The River E again. Signpost to nearby towns.